guys, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about finance. If you like money or if you love money, you need to have an understanding about your finances, how finance works. I used to be someone that I'll just be like, I don't want to hear anything about finance. And my brother would tell me that how does it really make sense? You need to know the little basic things in order to be able to like save your money, put your money together, have your money work for you and everything. Don't worry, it's not going to be boring, because I know for me personally, the reason why I don't like anything finance is because I always feel that it's kind of like a boring topic. But if you love money, you can't run away from it. Is actually very important. If you live in Canada, you're coming down to Canada, or you just arrived Canada and you're a permanent resident and you're a student, this is very important. I didn't think of this as a video I should do, but even if it helps one person, I'm going to be very grateful for this. So it is actually tax season right now. It started in February. It's going to be ending on the 30th of April 2024. So even if you landed in Canada, in any province in Canada, between last year, let's say January 1st, 2023, up until December 31, 2023, you need to file your taxes. As a student and as a permanent resident, of course, and as citizens, our seniors know this already. Anybody that is a citizen knows this already, and even the permanent residents that have been here for a while. So this is my first tax year or tax season in Canada. Incidentally, we arrived like April last year, so that was when it was already wrapping up, and there was pretty much nothing to report because we report your income, everything for the year before. So this is 2024. We are going to be reporting everything from like December 1 up until December 2023 or December 31, 2023. So let's just say from January up until December, you need to report your income, how much you made as a student, everything the government of Canada needs to know, even if you earn in Canada and outside Canada. Yes, I used to think it was just like your income in Canada alone, but they were like, no, it has to be every single thing, every income that is like accrued to your name, you need to report it. So the thing for tax is that tax is not entirely bad. There are even some times that you've like spent some things as a business owner in Canada, you can claim some things back. The government will like compensate you and give you your money back. So depending on the category you fall under, so it's actually like benefits people. So it's not something that you should evade, it's not something you should run away from. You should report your taxes duly. I'm going to be telling you some of the benefits very soon, and it's not far-fetched, because how do you get benefits from the government? Coming into Canada, I'm sure you're aware that you can get benefits either as a student or either as a permanent resident. So some of the benefits that a permanent resident gets is like child monthly benefits. Like if you have children, let's say between 0 to like 16 years of age, the government will pay you something for your children. The smaller your children, the more you get. So they believe that, okay, the smaller children need a lot more for like living expenses. You're buying diapers, you're buying baby feet. It takes a lot to take care of them. So you will get a lot of money for your little children. By the time they start growing older, the money starts reducing. On the average, for like a child below 2, I think you get about $800 monthly. The thing is, if you don't report your taxes, you're not going to be getting anything. So you're reporting, so this is the thing, let me just quickly break it down. I'm sure most people know about it, but some people might genuinely not know about this. So let me just try to break it down in a layman's way, just the way I also understood it. If you have like a very high income, you're earning well, your husband is earning well, you're earning like close to like $100,000 every year, you might not be eligible for this benefit because the government believes that your salary is enough to take care of you. Even if they're going to be giving you some benefits, it might be a little bit, maybe like $100, $200. This is not going to be the case for somebody that does not have a lot of income. So let's say your income falls below the threshold of like $36,000 or $40,000 every year. As an individual or your family income, the government will be giving you your full child benefit. So let's say you have 3 children, you have 4 children, and let's say your children are like toddlers, they are below the ages of 5. By the time you report and you say, okay, I'm not making enough income, the government will be giving you money back of child benefits to take care of your children, because they believe that your salary cannot take care of you and your dependents. So there's a lot of things that come into play. It's not ABC that, oh, once I come into Canada, I will have child benefits. You need to report your taxes. They need to know how much you really earn. If you're earning low from back home, they will give you the full benefits. If you are earning low, even in Canada, they'll give you the full benefits. The moment you tell them, and it's something that is not hidden, it has to be open, it's plain. The moment you tell them that, oh, okay, this is my salary range right now, the child benefits will drop. And there are benefits for several things. It's not only child benefits, there are benefits for daycare subsidy, and everything just depends on how much you earn, from where you're coming from, and even currently in Canada. So I was eligible for child benefits when I came into Canada because I reported what I was earning from back home. You can't compare Nigerian naira to Canadian dollars. So it was low. It was considered very low income. What I was earning from back home in Nigeria was considered very low income. So I was eligible for childcare benefits. Fast forward to this year, who knows whether I'll still be eligible or not. So that is the thing that really happens. By the time you're in Canada, whatever you are earning will determine whether they'll be paying you benefits. So don't let me just say child benefits. Benefits in any form or anything like that. Benefits for school, probably if you go to school. So there are different benefits in different places, different provinces. Some provinces like Manitoba, they help you to pay your rent. Everything, all the benefits you get is dependent on how much you earn annually. So if your salary is low, you will get benefits. If your salary is high, no benefits or low benefits. So that's just the way it works basically. Except you're now like, okay, you claims other things from like your company, insurance, and every other thing. But once your salary is good enough, they believe that it can take care of you, take care of your dependents and all that. So how do you file for your taxes? If you're a student, I want to advise you, or let's just say you can use whatever is at your disposal. Even if you're just coming into the country and you don't have like income yet, you've not started working, there are places around you. I don't want to give names now. I don't want to like give addresses because I don't know who is watching. You might be watching me from like a different province. Even in Ontario alone is big enough. So I can't say, oh, go to Brampton, go to this particular place. No. Look for, or just Google around you. There are free tax clinics. Just Google tax clinic near me. In your school as a student, you can ask the school directory or like the student board or like where you get help and everything that you want to file your taxes. If you're a PR person or even if you're a student as well and you don't want to go through that route, they're like tax clinics that you can Google and you can just go. They are walking. They will help you. They will collect a number of documents from you, put everything together and use it to file your taxes. If you're in Canada, please file your taxes, because without doing this, you're not going to be eligible for anything. I don't think so. So if you report zero, you get zero. It's as simple as that. That's what I have learned. If you report zero, you get zero. So even those student benefits are not a lot, but it's still something. So I know for certain that, let's say you're a student, you came in last year, you reported what you earned back last year, and if it was not enough to sustain you, I know you can get subsidy for daycare whereby you don't pay anything for daycare. And there are several things like that. It might not be a lot, it might not be as much as a PR person's own, but it's still something. So if you're also a PR, and you're a permanent resident, please, you need to file your taxes. Like I said, if you don't have anywhere to go, just Google tax clinic near me. I didn't use that. I used an accountant that somebody sent to me, because for me, I don't know, I just wanted to like sit back at home and like having somebody help me do it. And somebody referred an accountant to me in Ontario here. I have referred that person to a lot of people. The guy does not know me. I just share information. I don't do it for the sake of, oh, maybe this person will do something, or this thing helped me. It relieved me of a whole lot. Like, instead of me going out and all that, I was just in the house and we sent our information to this accountant. If you want, you can send me a DM. It's not going to be public or anything because they didn't send me a message. The person does not even know me. So you can either send me an email at iamtomiadenuga@gmail.com or on Instagram, the Tomi Adenuga. Please just reach out to me via DM, because I have sent the person's number to a lot of people. I just posted it on my stories like, oh, okay, this one and all that. And most people were like, please send me the name of this accountant. It cost me, or let me just say, it cost us about $100 for the accountant to file my taxes and my husband's taxes as well. So we filed as a family, like both of us, like together, and it cost us like $100. If you're a business person, it's going to be more, but for now, we're not like fully registered in Canada yet, so it cost us a bit lower. I just considered it and I was like, let's just use this route, because I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to put together, but they really helped us. I don't know a lot about taxes, about finance, and these are the people that even sat us down and they gave us like the lowdown and everything that we should expect. So they asked for a number of documents from you, your SIN, your receipts, all those things. You need to like put it out there. That is what you use in filing your taxes. So guys, I don't want to make this video too long. I just thought to bring this information to your doorstep so that you know, like, let me just summarize everything. If you're in Canada, you are a permanent resident in any province, if you want, you can reach out. I'll give you this person's details. I believe it's online, so you don't even need to walk into any office. Anywhere you are in Ontario, anywhere, if you want it, I can give it to you. They can help you, explain everything to you. I just thought to share this. And if you don't want that option, you can Google free tax clinic around me. It's free. You're not going to be paying anybody anything, but I just didn't want that because I was not ready for all the like bring this, bring that one. These people will just help me sort out every single thing. So guys, don't forget, the deadline is April 30. After then, you might not be eligible for benefits anymore. So please maximize it, especially if you're a permanent resident. You're just coming into the country, you don't know what to do, you don't even know where to start from to claim your benefits. You can also reach out to me. I try to help as much as I can. Reach out to me on Instagram, reach out to me via email. I'll try to help you. I will give you all the resources I have, people that have also helped me, and let's see how it goes from there. Okay, I'll see you in my subsequent videos. Bye.